All right, guys, what's going on? This is my third video now, and today I have some exciting news, and so I'm going to take you guys with me to go check it out. Okay, so to share this surprise with you guys, I had to meet up with somebody special as well, and that person is my wife, who's my partner in crime. And she actually does all the work. I just kind of stand behind the scenes and don't do anything. No,
Correct.
I'm just joking. So anyway, we have something really exciting to share with everyone. And so you're going to come with us to where we're going. Isn't she so pretty? All right, so for once, it's not me driving and holding the phone at the same time. So this one here is Concord. I brought you guys to Legacy the other day, and the one that you haven't seen yet is Blackberry, and I'll take you guys there. But we are back in the Concord neighborhood, and what we have to share is coming right up. Oh, and someone's not wearing their seatbelt, and I think that's me. All right. Okay, so the exciting news that we have is we just signed the lease on our 4th Airbnb. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Yes. So we're super excited about this one. So this one's going to be called Vanilla Trail. Vanilla Trail?
Vanilla Trail.
So the funny thing is that I wanted to show the lease in this video, and I forgot the lease in my car at Concord. So we're going back to get the lease. And I'm going to show you guys the signed lease. And then we'll show you the house, the outside of the house for now. Okay, so we ran back to my car and we got the proof. It's right here. Here is the lease. We have signed it. We sent it over to the landlord, and today we'll be writing the checks. We got to give him first and last, and he actually wants 10 post-dated checks for the rest of the year. So we signed a 1-year lease for, how much is this one?
$3,300.
So $3,300 a month. This one is a 4-bedroom. The other spots that we have are all 3 bedrooms, and they bring in the busy season, about $10,000 top line revenue. So my hope is that we'll pull in about $11,000 or $12,000 a month during the busy season from this property. So what I want to talk about in this video specifically is how we got this property. So Melissa does the majority of the sales for us. I help with what do I help? What do I even do? I do the staging. I do the staging. I do some investing. All right, so I do a lot of the investing, and
he hangs the TVs. He hangs the artwork. He does all the heavy lifting when we're doing the staging.
So I do something,
yeah.
Right? And I handle a lot of the business side of things, where Melissa is really our salesperson in hospitality. She handles a lot of the guest, the front-facing stuff. But Melissa, tell us, how did this property come to be?
For this one, I was on Facebook Marketplace. Actually, I think this is one of the listings that Ryan had sent to me. He said to me, hey, this looks like it kind of looks like it's set up to be an Airbnb. Turns out that the owner did have it set up as an Airbnb, but they do live further away and did not want to manage it anymore, got too busy with their other work, and was looking for a long-term tenant. So I had reached out to them and asked them, hey, are you the owner or are you the real estate agent? And it turned out that he was the owner, which is great. I love when that happens, because when you talk directly with the owner, you're eliminating the middleman right off the bat. With the real estate agents, you got to go view the place. You're talking to the real estate agent and you're telling them, would the owner be interested in doing this? And so it acts as a barrier a little bit. So with this one, I had direct contact with the owner and we started talking through WhatsApp. So I think with this one specifically, I actually sent them a voice memo and told them what we do. I said, my husband and I, we rent homes from the owners, and with their permission, we put them on Airbnb.
Yep.
And, I tell them all the benefits. I say, we'll take care of regular professional cleanings. We'll do regular walkthroughs. We take care of all the maintenance of the home. So we take care of grass cutting, snow removal. And then on top of that, we take care of any repairs that are $250 or less. So, and you just basically tell them, you know what, we have experience doing this. Right now we already have, at the time I said, we have 3 properties that we do this with in the area. and we have references from those landlords if you want to get in touch with them. So for the owners, for the landlords, it's a no-brainer. It's like, you know, these people know what they're doing. They're going to take good care of my property. It's a business, and, you know, I don't have to worry about getting my rent each month because they have a good track record. So that's basically how this deal came to be. I came here, I want to say maybe a couple weeks ago now, and I met with him and his wife. And one thing that I must say is that if they like you, they will sign with you. Seriously. So
For real, yeah.
I just, the wife had already liked me before I got here. Apparently she looked at my Facebook profile when we were messaging, and she was just like, I want to rent it to her. I don't know why, but that's what she felt. And when I got here, you know, I just treated them with such kindness, and I was confident in what I was telling them. One thing they did mention to me that was very interesting is they said, you know what, we really like your honesty, because a lot of people, they rent homes from people and they put it on Airbnb and they don't even tell the owners.
Right.
So they do it behind their backs.
You need permission.
Yeah. So they really, really liked that, because they said, you know, I could rent it to someone else who says they're going to be my long-term tenant, and they're going to put it on Airbnb anyways. So they really appreciated that. And yeah, like when I left, I gave the wife a hug, and like, I just, for me, I go.
She's way too friendly.
Yeah, I just go above and beyond. I go with the friendliness factor, you know.
Sure.
I just make them feel comfortable, and I'm like, yeah, no problem, and like, don't worry about it. I'll keep you in the loop, and it makes them feel comfortable.
Right.
And they're like, I can trust this person. They seem very responsible. You know, when I go to meet people, I dress professionally. And all of that matters. And there was just one little thing that came up yesterday with this owner. We were talking about getting the lease signed, etc. And he said, you know, I'm just finishing up with my last guest, and my cleaner kind of like went MIA on me. And right now there's garbage sitting in the driveway, and I live an hour away. And I said, you know what? Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. We haven't even signed a lease yet, but you know, to me it didn't matter. It was a 10-minute drive. I was giving him value. I was showing him, like, I'm responsible. I'm always going to take care of your property. It's not even mine yet, but I'll take care of it right now.
Smart.
And he was over the top. Like, he appreciated that.
So much so that he called her the Queen of Thorold, which is where we do business. That's the second time she's got that.
I'm the Queen of Thorold, and hey, I'll take it.
So just to be clear for everybody, you closed, well, not really closed this deal, but you initiated this deal through a message on Facebook Messenger.
Started with Facebook Messenger. We moved over to WhatsApp, and just to make it a little more personable, it was late at night, so I didn't want to try calling. So to make it a little more personable, I just sent a voice memo.
Wow.
Through WhatsApp.
That's it. She makes it sound so simple, and it really is. Be friendly, put yourself out there. I'm sure you've probably messaged a lot of different listings, right? But you never know what you're going to find.
You miss 100% of the chances you don't take.
All right. Let's it's kind of raining out, so we'll be quick, but we're gonna do a walk around. I can't take you inside the house yet, but we will take you inside the house once we get an opportunity to do so. But for now, we'll do a quick walk around and show you guys the house. Okay, so there she is. There's the lovely Queen of Thorold. But here's the house. All right, beautiful house. Again, I told you guys before that we like to go with new builds. There's just a lot less headache involved with them. You don't have to really worry about repairs or anything like that. Obviously, I can't take you inside, but what's really cool about this spot, and hopefully my shoes don't get too nasty here, but there's no rear neighbors, and I like that. So hopefully, you know, we're going to be able to, we're going to take care of all this. This place is going to look immaculate when we're done with it. We have maintenance people and cleaners and everything like that. So this long grass is not going to look like this. But what's so nice, it's like a little oasis, a little backyard oasis. So we have this little deck here, which is okay. We'll make that happen. And we got Melissa, the Queen of Thorold, out here surveying the land. But look at this. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. No rear neighbors. And we'll show the back of the house here. So
this is actually the view from the master bedroom.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, Melissa has been inside, and we'll take you guys inside hopefully next week when we get an opportunity to get in. But that's the master bedroom up top. I'm assuming that's the living room right there. And then typically these houses are built with a kitchen walkout right there. And then it's kind of cool. It's got a little bit of a raised basement too, but I'm assuming it's unfinished. So
It is, yeah.
So there we go, man. So check that out. So this was a steal of a deal. Now, the one thing that I find the most exciting about everything that's happened is what happened yesterday around dinner time. Do you remember?
No.
You don't remember? You got a call from somebody. Yes, tell us.
Oh yeah, so the real estate agent that I've been dealing with at this house, he gave me a call and was just saying, hey, let's set up a time to meet so we can get the post-dated checks. And he said, I'd love to continue doing business with you. I actually have a couple that is closing a house in this neighborhood in about a week. And I've already been talking to them about Airbnb and about you and your business. And it sounds like something they'd be interested in passing along to you. So we might be closing another deal here before we know it, maybe for August 15th.
So yeah, I just want to reiterate the importance of just letting literally everybody you know about what you're doing, right? So Melissa was talking to real estate agents, and now look what's opening up, right? So it's like she talked to that one, you got hooked up, although you talked to the owner first, but he hooked you up with the real estate agent.
Yep.
But then he's like, hey, you know, real estate agents know people, right? And they know like when people want to rent and when people are buying and selling and all that stuff. So connect with real estate agents.
Absolutely.
Because it literally can be a game changer. And I like to say this all the time, but contacts equals contracts, right?
Yeah.
I got that from Grant Cardone. It's not mine, but it is a true statement. And so connect with as many people as you can when you're in this industry, and it will pay dividends.
Absolutely.
All right, let's walk back to the vehicle because I'm getting soaked. Ah! Yeah, this is such a nice house. Oh my goodness. I am excited to get inside of this one. We're gonna take off. I'm now dry, just got in the truck. I'm actually kind of wet. We just gotta dry it off. But if you guys want to know more about our journey and how we grow our business, and as we collect more listings and all that stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. Let us know if you got any comments. If you have any questions, anything like that, we want to share our journey with you. So we'll see you guys in the next video, where we're going to take you inside of this house and show you what we do with them and how we're going to flip this thing into an amazing Airbnb just outside Niagara Falls.